Number 16 yan, sir. Si Matias. First personal. Second team foul for OSN. 2 free throws for number 14, Dandoy. 2 minutes and 40 sa ating first quarter. First is good for Dandoy. Ang mga free throw. Gabi na dapat pumapasok na talaga yung mga free throw na yan. Pagkagabi na, dapat pasok na ng pasok. High score natin 18-12. 19-12. Paparote. 2 minutes and 34. First quarter pa lang tayo ng ating championship game between these two great teams.
12 to shoot.
Number 9.
10 to shoot.
5. Matias. Again sa Asay. 2, number 27 inside pass to Magat. And there's a foul. Again sa number 14, Dandoy. First personal for you. Second team foul for Paparote. At meron pong time out for Paparote. This time out is brought to you by Mobile Globe, Elop Sabra, Injas Banking Services, and Alusir. Maraming salamat ulit sa mga sponsors natin. Kay Sir Rani ng Mobile, kay Miss Mitz ng Injas, at sa ating mga bisita from all over the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Thank you for coming and watching. Back to the ball game. Magat will shoot for 2. First is good. Yan ang mga dapat. Gabi na dapat pasok na ng pasok. Second is not good. Early entry lane violation yan. It will go to Paparote. Bawal po yan. Basta no entry. Bawal. Dandoy. Again sa Boyet. 2 Akraman. Sliding. Hook shot is good for number 17. Mga walang takot. Ba't matatakot? Duwag lang ang natatakot. Kaya dapat huwag tayo matakot. Number 22 Bautista inside pass. Extra pass to Madat. Hindi makawala doon. Boyet for 3. Dapat natin makita rito. Uulan ba ngayon ng 3? Ngayong gabing ito, kagabi umuulan ng 3. Kaya may payong na, may kapote pa. Ngayon, dapat din. Reposar. Against Akad to number 10, Gracilia. Inside pass to Wakay. Outside pass again. Dandoy attempt is a good rebound for number 5, Akad. Fast break. 4 against 2. Jump shot is good. At may kasamang foul. Basket junction. Against number 17 foul. Second personal. 13 foul for Paparote. Ang score natin 21-16. 21-18 na yung score natin. 21-18 po yung score natin, sir.
Hindi pa away from the ball yun. Bola pa nila.
Counting ko yung basket. Merong foul. Ball possession for OSN.
Good position.
Boyet against Dandoy. Bautista still sitting the play for OSN. At yun, nasundutan iba talaga, no? Kaya ganun, the small but terrible. Ganyan kami mga maliliit. Panghang, kumbaga sa sino. Dandoy against Bautista. Chio Gracilia slicing. At merong troubling against number 10, Gracilia. May po nakawala dun sa mahabang galamay ni gwapang-gwapo rin to si Akad na to. Mistiso. Bumbayo. Bautista against Sandandoy. Inside pass.
14 to 6.
Against Reposar. At mayroong nakitang foul sa rep. Against sa number 4.
Seconds to play, 54 seconds.
First personal. Warning for penalty for Paparote. First free throw is good for Obalde. 54 seconds remaining first quarter still. Paparote up by 3. 21 against 18 of OSN. Second is good for number 27. Outside to Jason Reed. Jason Reed. Yep. Reposar, taking 3. Inside pass to outside. Hook shot, a shot. Rebound for the big man. Ayan. Parang point guard lang. Siwagad. Inside pass. Extra pass. And the block. Piso yan. Still, always on ball. Number 27. Obalde to
10 to shoot.
umikot ang bagat. Jump shot is not good. The rebound for number 4, Reposar. Served by Bautista. Real three for Green. Meron pong foul. Against number 14, Dandoy, second personal foul. Sa penalty na rin yan for Paparote. 3 free throws coming up for number 22, Bautista. Unang pukol. Ay, bakit yung minsan ganyan talaga? Pagka una, napakahirap ano. Kahit anong bagay pagka una, mahirap talaga. Second free throw for Boyet. Is good. Meron pang isang free throw, sir. 3 free throws dyan. One more for Boyet. Basta una, mahirap talaga. Pag pumasok yun, tuloy-tuloy din yan. Kumbaga matigas eh. Hindi pa pinalapos yung karne, kaya matigas. Second free throw. For third free throw is good for Bautista. 21 all. 10 seconds remaining. Reposar. Running. Close pass. Aabot pa. Gracilia. Attempt is not good. Rebound. At yan naman pagtatapos ang ating first quarter. Parang wala na po nangyari. 21 all. Within these two great teams sa ating regional showdown brought to you by Mobile Globe, Sabra Elops, India's banking services, and Abiosel. Parang nasa ano tayo, parang sa...
Madali, una na yung bata.
Okay, magpapahinga lang po tayo ng ilang saglit na po. Magbabalik na po tayo sa ating second quarter. Deadlock 21 all sa ating championship game between these two great teams, Paparote of at saka OSN ng Jeddah. Dito po magkakaalaman ito. Parang labanan ni ni Ying Giao at saka ni Tim Cohn. Ganun ba yun? San Miguel at saka Raynor Giant. Sinong mas matibay, sinong mas matatag. At ang Buenas yun pong malamang mananalo rito. Number 10 to number 35. Second quarter na po tayo ng ating main game championship game today, tonight. Double team, outside pass. Reposar for 3. Hindi pumasok yung defensive rebound for Biscocho. Number 10, Gracilia. To the big man, Reposar against Magat. Extra pass to Mohamed. Against Obalde, Mohamed. Got to shoot. Jump that is good for Mohamed. Patience lang sinasabing pasensya. Yan ang player. Meron pong pakawalan yung coach. Bautista against sa number 35, Biscocho. Crossover move for Boyet. Slicing Boyet. Pacing exhibition. Hindi po yan. Bola po. Same ball. Kanina mo larap? Ayun. Lubo! Reposar to Biscocho. Against Bautista. Reposar again against Rad. Reposar driving strong. Layup is not good. Rebound for Matias. Flip-hand na rebound. Ovalde 2. Naman agad back to. Uy! Tumapak doon sa bawal na guhit. Hindi pa pwedeng tapakan yan dyan, sir. Basta may hawak ka ng bola. Bawal mo tapakan yan dyan. Nakatinik yan. Number 10 to number 4, Reposar. Number 30 Brazil, number 2, hindi pumasok yan. Rebound, nakuha po yan ni Akad. Pass break yan. 3 against 4, Akad. At 10 is shot. Rebound for Reposar. Pass break for the blue team. Brasilia, slashing against Bautista. Hook shot is not good. Offensive putback is foul. Foul rep against number 5. First personal. First team foul for OSN. 2 free throws coming up for number 9, Mohamed. First is good. Yan dapat.
Hello.
Bumagal eh. Dapat pumasok na yung mga free throw.
Ano na?
Hindi pwedeng may papasok eh. Second is shot. We want for Akad.
Nanalo nga ng 20.
Akad. 24-21 both
14 to shoot.
Akad.
10 to shoot.
Matias against Mohamed. Ubalde driving back to Matias at the circle. Rebound. Putback is not good. Pero ayan, rebound will go to Mohamed. Ayan, nagpupukan doon sa ilalim para mga Texas. Biscocho. Rosa remove under sa foul. Against number 27, Ubalde. First personal. Second team foul for OSN. 7:59 second quarter. 24-21. Number 10 to number 4, Reposar. Biscocho against Akad to Brasilia.
12 to shoot. 10.
And to shoot. Brasilia. Jump shot is not good. Nag-isip pa doon si putback. Hindi pa rin pumasok yan. Rebound. And for Orson. For an offensive Magat launching outside pass. Matias naghihanap ng kakampi.
14 to shoot.
Magat. Outside pass. Jump shot. Hindi pumasok yan. Offensive rebound. Magat. Hindi pumasok yan. Pero merong foul. Sayang. Against number 8. First personal first team foul for Paparote. 2 free throws for number 9, Magat. First is good for Magat. 2-point lead for Paparote. 7 minutes and 19 second quarter. 24-22. Second free throw. 2 for 2 for number 9. Mohamed to number 10, Garcia.
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Between Mohamed, jump shot is good for number 9.
To shoot.
To number 9, number 10, driving, half step. Attempt is not good. Rebound for Reposar. And there's a foul. That's number 9, Magat. First personal. Third team foul for OSN. Brasilia.
14 to shoot.
Inside pass to Reposar. Biscocho for 3. Hindi pumasok yan. Ang rebound will go to Bautista. Yan na po si Boyet. Nagdadaan lang yan again sa Biscocho. Inside pass, extra pass, Matias! What a set play for OSN. Yan ang mga dapat makita ng ating mga viewers. Parang PBA tayo, tahanan ng mga superstar, sabi na. Partner Bida,
14 to 6.
Brasilia, to number 12. At meron na po tayo traveling dyan. Sayang yan. Magat. 26-25. Magat outside shot for Gray. 2-point lead for OSN. 28-26. Inside pass. Extra pass, Mohamed. Ilang dun si Mohamed, ha? Number 16 to number 22, Batista. Ay, nakakailang pala yung mga puti. Ano? Bautista crossover mode. Muntik mong bitawan po yung last touch po yan. Substitution rep hold the ball. 12 out and number 18 in for Paparote. OSN now up by 2 with 5 minutes and 18 second quarter. Brasilia. Again sa Akad. Brasilia hindi makapasok ng Brasilia. Nakapasok. At meron po tayong offensive foul. Against sino sir? Number 9. Second personal foul. Second team foul for Paparote. Bagat si Ubalde.
Ano yung palad ni Bautista?
Again for Gray. Hindi pumasok yung rebound for Reposar. Asan yung point guard? Biscotto.
14 to 6.
Si Reposar.
12.
And some inside pass.
10.
Aside posting. Jump shot is good. Jump shot ni Dwight Howard ng Miami Heat. Kaliwete. Bautista again sa Biscotto. Slicing Boyat. Almost turn to going to Matias. Cross pass Magat. Open jump shot. It's not good. Run. Well good to Mohamed. Pass break. Ayan. 3 against 1. Walk shot. Hindi pumasok ang midget. Put back is good. For number 10. Brasilia. 30-28. Lamang pa rin ito ang SMI2. Inside pass to Bautista. Against Biscotto. Boyet. Jump shot is good. Biscotto to Brasilia. Reposar against
10 to shoot.
Inside pass.
10 to shoot.
Against Ubalde. Ayan, 10 to shoot. Stolen by Ubalde. Crossover mo pass break. Into Akad for Radaya. Bumubuka yung ano. Parang si Michael Jordan. Panaglilap, bumubuka yung pa. 3 minutes and 15 second quarter. Brasilia. Again sa Akad. Brasilia again sa Matias. Double team Brasilia pa rin. Inside pass. Stolen by Bautista. Boyat. Ayan. Ubalde again sa Biscotto. Ubalde. The up is not good. Defensive rebound. Put back is foul. Again sa number 10. First personal. 13 foul for Rocky. At meron pong timeout for OSN. This timeout is brought to you by Mobile League Globe, Ilop Sabra, Injas Banking Services, and Dalio Share. At ang ating mga sponsors sa ating Regional Showdown Sabra Cup 2014. Ball game second quarter, 2 minutes and 53. 32-30. Lamang po rito ang 32. Lamang ng dalawa. Hindi naman pwede lumamang ng 30 sa 32. Ano, sir? Okay. Akad will switch for 2 free throws. So, na po. Kaya dyan lang po kayo. First is good. Yan ang mga free throw na pinabayaran. Bayad daw pa. Basta free throw pumasok, pinibayaran. Second for number 5. 2 for 2. Para kay Tisoy. Mohamed to number 10 ng Brasilia. Daming guwapo rito sa mga magaganda na inubis. Sana laging may ganito. Regional showdown. Brasilia sa Bautista to Mohamed.
10 to shoot.
Rifosar driving against Matias. Hindi may pagpag. Biscocho nakalusot sa ilalim. Half step. Waramo for number 35. Biscocho nakahiga na yun. Pero pumasok pa rin yung jump shot. 2 minutes and 22 second quarter. Bautista against Biscocho.
14 to shoot.
Babawi ba rito si Boyat? Outside pass. Bagat. Jump shot. It's not good. Rebound for Azay. Ayan ang Brasilia. Pass break. Biscocho. Sakling for Alayat yan. Sukat na sukat para Carpentero.
Revenue time 2 minutes.
Carpentero. Deadlock tayo. 34 all. Parang ganun lang. Kanina deadlock. Ngayon deadlock ulit.
14 to shoot.
Magatagan sa Ribosar.
10 to shoot.
Jump shot parang wala lang. Parang si Benji Parasyan. Hindi na kailangan tumalon pag nagja-jump shot. Mohamed to number 10 na Brasilia. Back to Oesa ng lamang by 2. 1 minute and 32 second quarter. Ribosar inside pass to Asaya Gansobalde. Back to Ribosar. Driving Ribosar posting outside pass. Brasilia. Aabot ba tayo? Jump sa Richard. The rebound will get to Matias. Fast break. Boyat. 3 on 3. Akad. Inside pass stolen by number 35 Biscocho. Blue team. Brasilia driving back to Mohamed. Hook shot is good for number 9 Mohamed. 1 minute po sa ating second quarter.
Tabla.
Are, last one, ha?
And 55 seconds na lang po sa ating second quarter. Ubalde. Isa gas to Matias against Asay.
14 to shoot.
Magat outside shot for three. Sabi na nga, ulan at ulan ang tres. 34 seconds remaining. Ribosar. And Sakad. Maglalasyak na ba tayo rito? Biscocho.
14 to shoot.
To Brasilia. And sa mga Brasilia. Slicing Brasilia. Stolen by Boyet. Aabot pa tayo dyan. Marami pang oras pa na. Boyet. Outside for three. 5 seconds. Brasilia slicing. Extra pass to Mohamed. At then is not good. Mohamed. At dyan na po magtatapos sa ating first half. With 42-36 OSN ang lamang sa ating halftime. Magbabalik po tayo sa ating second half. Kaya dyan lang po kayo. This is brought to you by Mobile League Globe, Elop Sabra, India's Banking Services, and tayo sir at sa ating mga VIP ngayon, sa ating mga bisita. Ladies and gentlemen, mga chikiting natin, maraming salamat kahit na napupuyat tayo. Ako may pasok ako bukas, pero okay lang. Dito po tayo, minsan lang po ito magaganap. Sana laging ganito sa ating regional showdown buong Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Okay, ibabalik ko na po ang aking hawakang microphone sa aking partner dito, si Engineer Jabo. Dito na po siya sa ating second half.
Okay, good afternoon once again, gentlemen. Ito po yung mga hawak ninyo na ticket. Pakiano lang po kasi mag-draw tayo ng raffle. Okay, base sa pag-aaral natin. Ito tayo na. Sinong bubunot? Kumuha ka na isang items po na ipaparapol. Pakitaas lang po para malaman ng mananalo kung anong kanyang